Urgent real-time stock market and crypto and everything else forecast. My first target for this, you see this channel, this red channel going up into heaven. This is technically bearish, but so when we hit this with multiple touches on this really fat neckline, I said, hey, we're gonna drop down to 36.54-ish. But I revised that as we started going halfway down, and right about here I said, no, we're not going to drop any farther. Why was that? And we're going to start going back up. And this is the price to which we are going back up. You know why? I guess I'll show you why. Look. Do you see it now? Can you see it now? What we did was we did a double 3 drive. So this is 1 drive, 2 drive, 3 drive. And then we did another 1 drive, 2 drive, 3 drive. These harmonics, when you see a harmonic that is going downwards, the force is up. But when you see 2 of them in a row, then the force is super up. Oh, look, it takes us to this target. Isn't that cool how that works? Anyway, but it's not a straight line, obviously. It doesn't just go, oh, look, BFM said there's a double 3 drive harmonic, so we're just going to go straight up. Boink. No, dude, that's not how it works. What ends up happening is we go up here, we might do a double down, double bottom, and then create a V shape, and then do all sorts of things, and then pop. Or we might, or sometimes we actually do go straight up. But anyway, don't count on going straight up. Now, that having been said, we've just confirmed that we're going to hit right around at least, nah, we're going to hit 4,000. We're going to go over 4,000. We just confirmed it. You want to see how? This is the cool part. This is stuff that most people miss, and even artificial intelligence algorithms miss. If you're smart, you're going to see it as I'm drawing it. Ta-da! Isn't that cool? There it is. If you still don't see what I'm saying, you should memorize basic chart patterns. Basic chart patterns are basic, and you really should memorize them. Now you see it? Wow, that's cool, isn't it? You still don't see it? I guess I'll have to draw it in for you. Here. This helps when someone draws it in. Doodaloo, doodaloo, doodaloo. Yeah, now you see it. We have an inverse head and shoulders. Ta-da! But the funny thing is you can see here. Oh, I guess you can't see right now. Hold on. As you can see here, it's over. The stock markets are closed right now. Where is this? How come I can't drag this? Here it is. The stock markets are closed right now. So that means that this inverse head and shoulders is on pause. It's just on pause. What we should do, though, is pump straight up to right about this level, the 786 fib, or right around the 786 fib, right around here. But lo and behold, if we do that, notice what happens. Ta-da! 786 fib, right around here, is again at the same target as my green arrow. And that's going to be over 4,000. Isn't that amazing how confluences work? Everything points in the same direction. That's why it's called a confluence. Yeah. But yeah. Now, the cool thing is, if we do hit 4,000, all we have to do is hit this red line and go a little bit higher. And if we do that, this is what happens. You see what's happening here? If we do that, we hit a huge. This is huge. This is a huge thing. If we do that, what we've done is we've created a ascending triangle, or a bullish right triangle. If you don't, I'm not going to draw it in with the thing. I'll draw it in with this for you. It looks like this. This, and then we have a breaker, and then we have this, and then we have this, and then we have this. So between this line and this additional help from back here, we're just going to pump all the way up to about 5,000, 4,800, 5,000, which brings us to, right here, 4,800 to 5,000 would bring us to, no, are you kidding me? No, I'm not kidding you. Brings us right back up to, on the daily, right here. So if we do go all the way up here, right here, we're going to do a, this would suck if this was a double top, but we're going to hit all-time high. We're going to hit right around all-time high. So let me draw it in this way. If we do this and this, that's awesome, except for the fact that we could just go boof and do this. If we don't want to do that, then what's going to happen is we do this, and then this, and then this, and then here, what we need to see is some kind of consolidation for continuation, and then poof. But if we start seeing instead, if we start seeing a really sharp sell-off here, that looks like doof, then you're screwed. So what we want to see is, instead of a doof, what we want to see is a go, oops, like this. We want to see something go up, and then a quick little doof, and then a quick, really, really same size, right back up, poomp, doof, poomp, doof, poomp, doof, 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 doof. Bam, is what we want to see. Cool, huh? But we're not going to know until we get to right about here. We're not going to know whether we go doof or poof or pump, poomp, until we get right about here. So I'm going to move this to right about here, 4,600. This would be right about the target right here. So I'm going to put, how do I do this while you can still see without turning my screen? Green arrow, come on, give me the green arrow. It's not giving me the green arrow. I'm just going to draw a new green arrow. Current price is here. This is our target, and it's not green. Anyway, so for clout's sake, I'm going to leave this here. Say right around here somewhere. Ta-da, you can screen capture this. Or this could happen, or this could happen. Anything can happen, but for now, for the next couple weeks, we're going up. After the next couple weeks, whether we go up, whether we continue down, or whether we take a U-turn, or where we get anything, when any one of these gets invalidated, or maybe this gets invalidated, or maybe this becomes invalidated, and we do something else really weird, you're going to want that update. Go to bitcoin-signals.org. Bitcoin-signals.org is where I give you real-time updates instead of just these occasional random videos every couple days on YouTube. It's hard making these videos. It's easier just to post a chart and say sell, 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 or buy, 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 or long, 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 100x long, 100x long. That's a lot easier and faster. And you can get those daily, 24 hours a day, instant reflex signals for professional traders at bitcoin-signals.org.